Hi, Mamta.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm pretty well. How are you?
I am also pretty well.
Long time no see.
So, just for my preparation,
Okay. So, how come you are here?
and just like that.
Hmm. Let's have a seat. Let's chit chat. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mamta, we are meeting after a long time.
Yes,
How's your English practice going on?
Sir, it was good.
It's going well?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, let's have a general conversation. Okay,
Sir.
I want you to be very confident.
Okay, sir.
And in case if you get stuck somewhere, you can use Hindi without hesitation. Okay?
Okay, sir. I will try.
Great, great. So, what is the first thing you do after waking up in the morning?
Sir, after waking up, I do first thing. I greet God and say Hare Krishna because I am devotee of Lord Krishna. And then after I start my day, I scroll my phone just for 5 minutes, but it magically turns into an hour. And I know everyone did the same, and that's my day. That's why my day starts.
It makes two of us. I'm also the same kind of person because when I start using my phone, I'm gonna use it for 5 minutes. But that 5 minutes when turns into hours.
Hour.
I don't realize. Okay. So, what do you usually have for breakfast?
Sir, I usually have for breakfast aloo ke paratha.
Aloo ke parathe. Wow.
Which is my favorite, and
Same here.
sandwich,
Hmm.
and normally roti sabji.
Yeah. Okay.
I-
Like regular Indian meal.
Indian meal is my favorite.
And you mentioned about some preparation. So, what are you actually preparing for?
So I'm preparing for UPSC, and that's my aim too. I want to become an IS officer in my future, and I want to learning public speaking as well
That's
for
important.
my backup plan.
Okay. So, as you said that you want to become an IAS officer.
Yes, sir.
So, were you always wanted to be an IAS officer, or how did you make this aim for
So,
you?
sir, no, I was in my childhood. I wanted to become a lawyer,
You would.
but
Okay.
but in adult time, I realized that that is not my cup of tea, and
Okay.
so I decided to change my aim. So I choose this.
So you thought that you could not become a lawyer. That's why you decided that you want to become an IAS
IAS
officer.
officer.
That's very strange because becoming an IAS officer
Is a very big thing.
requires more potential,
Yes, sir.
right? I would not say it is an easy task or everyone's cup of tea become a lawyer, but you have chosen a tough task for yourself, and I'm sure you can make it because you're very sincere and dedicated.
Thank you, sir, for your compliment. And
That's really great. So, Mamta, are you an early bird or a night owl?
so, sir, I am a early morning person because I really love enjoying study in the morning time, because that time my mind is so clear, and whatever I read and learn, all things well that time I cover, and and that's all.
Okay, so that means whatever you study in the morning time, you are able to remember that.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So, by what time do you go to bed at night?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay, and how do you spend your weekend?
Sir, to be honest, I usually spend my weekends. I do my skincare because I am very self-obsessed girl,
Okay.
and I sleep and I eat, and then I again sleep and then again eat. That's all.
Sleep, eat, sleep, eat, repeat.
I want to rest my whole day on weekends because
you kind of want to relax and kind of fuel up yourself so that you can really work or study hard.
Yes, sir. Because my 5 days are
Very busy or super packed.
yes, sir. So that's why,
Okay. Can you cook?
sir. Let's just say I can cook, but whether it's edible, it's another story. And my specialty, I can make Maggie in exactly 2 minutes, but plus 20 minutes of preparation and cleaning.
All right. So you can actually make Maggie in 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
That's great. I'll sometime try to have that with you
Yes, sir.
if you can bring that. Okay, that's really great. And let me ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
If you could eat just one dish for the rest of your life,
Okay. So,
what would it be?
sir, pizza, because I love junk food, and pizza is my favorite. Because life is just short to count calories.
Yeah, it's
So
too short
let's
to
be
count
honest.
calories.
So let's be honest. Cheese makes everything better.
It
So,
does, it does. And looking at you, I don't think that calories really matter.
yes, sir.
Yeah, you can afford. That's good.
Thank you, sir.
So let's say that, if you found a magical lamp and, a genie appeared out of it
Yes, sir.
and it says that, you could ask for any 3 wishes.
Okay.
What would they be?
So this is a very interesting question for me. Well, let me think. So my first wish is I have enough money so that I can feed animals, because I am a animal lover girl, and especially dogs. Dogs are my favorite, and we also call that Wafadar.
Yeah,
Dogs are very, very loyal. And my second wish is to be I want to stay young forever,
Okay. That's nice.
because I have phobia of old age. And my last wish would be I have lots of clothes, like different clothes in for 365 days, and
Okay.
it's the common problem for every girl, and they don't want to repeat their outfit in photos. And I'm a very photoholic girl, and this is very crucial for me. So these 3 wishes.
And you're
I-
very practical, I must say that. Have you ever had any funny or embarrassing moment in the class or in college?
Sir, yes. I spent my childhood in hostel. I'm Navodaian girl, and
Okay.
and I had so many embarrassing moments in my class. So I remember that when I was in 9th class. So I was scared of my math teacher, and he was asked me my date of birth. I even couldn't reply him because of my fear of him. And that was my, and a whole class was staring at me, and that was my
Is
very
that true? Because I can see a very confident girl now.
but in school time I am very different girl. So
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Someone has very well said that the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. So if you can face your fear, then you can be the boldest girl. And that's what you did.
Yes, sir.
So do you like reading books?
Yes, sir. This is my hobby also.
Okay.
And I have read so many books
Mhm.
and especially novels like Gulliver's Travel and Ikigai and 12 Rules for Life. This is my favorite novel. And I find that Chetan Bhagat novels are very interesting because
Yes,
because
indeed.
he uses a simple language on their novels, so it's easy to understand. And
It's interesting also.
uh,
Yeah.
and I also find that novels are it can be comprehend. It's not like a boring stuff. So
Yeah, indeed. So if you could visit any country in the world,
yes, sir.
which one would it be?
So, sir, this is also my hobby, traveling. Sir, so my favorite country is South Korea because I love Korean boys and I always watch Korean dramas. And I also want that my husband would be a Korean boy.
Okay. So Korean people watching this video. Okay.
Oh, my dreams.
All right. So you love Korean culture.
Yes, sir.
So it was really wonderful to have this conversation with you, and wish you all the very best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm sure you will become one. And once you become an IAS officer, make sure that you really do something for the society.
Yes, sir. Yes, I will.
So all the very best.
Thank you.